everyone, this is Jag, and in this video I'm going to cover 5 uses of grass clippings in 2 minutes. Now I want to emphasize that you can only practice these 5 uses if you do not use chemicals on your grass and you do not use pesticides. If you don't, great. Now I love using grass clippings because they are such small in size and they're very easy to decompose, and that makes them a really good resource. So let's get started.
Number 1. Use as mulch. Add grass clippings around your plants to use as mulch, which prevents weeds from growing and retains water in the soil. Number 2. Add grass clippings to make a compost pile. Grass clippings are rich in nitrogen and provide green material needed to make the hot compost pile. Mix brown materials such as dead leaves with grass clippings. Layer the brown and green material like a lasagna to make the compost pile. Water the pile completely when done. Keep the pile moist by watering the pile every 2 to 3 days and turn the pile every 4 to 6 days. The pile heats up and all the organic matter starts to decompose quickly. After 2 months, the compost is ready and makes a great addition to raised beds and garden. Number 3. Grass clipping tea. Add grass clippings to a bucket and fill the bucket with water. Let the grass clippings marinate in water for 1 to 2 days. Strain the water into a watering can and water your plants with the grass clipping tea. This tea is rich in nitrogen and fertilizes the plants. Number 4. Re-fertilize grass. Remove the bag used to catch grass clippings from the lawnmower. Secure the flap in place so that the grass clippings fall to the bottom. Mixing grass clippings in the grass adds 30% nitrogen back to the lawn.
Number 5. Feed grass clippings to your animals such as chickens and goats. Now I don't have any chickens and goats, so I can't show you feeding grass clippings to those animals. However, those are going to come pretty soon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another video.